We'll guide you through how to make photos cinematic Lightroom. Quick disclaimer. You need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Lightroom on your PC to begin editing your photo. Once Lightroom is launched, import the photo you want to edit into the application. After the photo has been imported, select the image from the library module to prepare it for editing. Next, click the Develop module to access the complete set of editing tools and adjustment panels. When the Develop module opens, locate and open the Basic panel to begin making the primary lighting adjustments. If needed, adjust the exposure slider to achieve a balanced overall brightness for the photo. Increase or decrease the exposure until the image has the desired level of light without losing important details. After adjusting the exposure, reduce the highlight slider to recover details in the brightest parts of the image and create a softer lighting effect. Next, slightly increase the shadow slider to reveal more detail in the darker areas while maintaining a balanced appearance. Continue by adjusting the contrast slider to improve the separation between light and dark tones and give the image more depth. Once the basic lighting adjustments are complete, open the color grading panel to begin creating a cinematic color style. Add warm tones to the highlights by adjusting the highlight color wheel until the brighter areas have a subtle warm appearance. After setting the highlights, add cool tones to the shadows by adjusting the shadow color wheel to introduce a gentle blue or teal tint into the darker areas. Balance the warm and cool colors until the overall image has a cinematic color grade. Next, open the Effects panel to apply finishing adjustments. Add a subtle vignette effect by adjusting the vignette controls to darken the edges of the photo slightly and draw more attention to the center of the image.